Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some glam mirror and crystal home decor items. So what you'll need some of these teardrop pendants. They're from Efavormart. You're also going to need some Angel's Tears pendants. These are also from Efavormart. And I have some floral diamond wrap from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. What you're going to need also will be some Bling Wrap, and this is from Totally Dazzled. And then I have some of these oval rhinestone buckles from Totally Dazzled as well. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need one of these glass tea light holders. That's a pedestal glass tea light holder. And you'll need one pack of these little glass tea light holders. These come in a pack of 2, so you will need one pack. And then you're going to need 2 of these round mirrors. And from Dollar Tree, you're also going to need some foam board. I have some scrap foam board here that I'll be using this first, and then I'll just go ahead and start working from a larger sheet once I'm done with this. But you can get the really big sheets of the foam board at Dollar Tree. Now what I have here from Walmart are some of the peel and stick gemstones. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I will be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components of this project or these projects permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to create this beautiful glam home decor, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these glam pieces turn out absolutely beautifully? You can use these as lighted pieces. It'd be really simple to add tea lights to these to give them a lighted look, or they're just beautiful enough just the way they are. You guys let me know in the comment section if you like the little mirrored tea light holders best, or do you like the Glam crystal orb best. I tell you, I love all three pieces. I think they're super versatile. But let's go ahead and start decorating with them. Okay, well there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIYs a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, I hope you will subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.